AI Technology, What to Expect in 2018. By Techipedia staff. Published, December 18, 2017, last updated, January 11, 2022, 11:02 and 30 seconds. Key takeaways. Get insight from tech experts on AI trends in 2018. AI Technology, What to Expect in 2018. Source, Natalie Ms/iStockphoto. Techipedia asked the tech industry what we should expect from artificial intelligence in 2018. We received many responses, and here is what some tech experts had to say. Do you have any other thoughts on the subject? Let us know. Advertisement. In a data-abundant world, data analytics has become a $200 billion market. Artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize how we interact with data. Too many analytics dashboards describe data without providing actionable insights, forcing users to rely on gut feeling to translate metrics into actions. AI can distill any amount of data into optimal strategies and even implement those strategies. By 2025, AI will have completely transformed the way in which we interact with data, as more and more interactions between humans and data will be mediated by some form of AI. Advertisement. Sebastian Huempfer, Head of Operations at EchoBox. Before I answer the question, I would like to point out that robotics, AI, and automation are all different things. Artificial intelligence is still very much in its primitive stages. What we're seeing nowadays is automation through robotics. For example, the back-flipping robot from Boston Dynamics represents the advances in robotics, but people often mistake it for artificial intelligence. It's one thing for a human to operate a robot, and it's another thing for a robot operate itself. We're still some time away from seeing an artificially intelligent robot do a backflip. Advertisement. With that said, 2018 will be the year of delivering efficiency through tedious task automation. Walmart has successfully tested a shelf-scanning robot to track inventory, and now they're testing autonomous floor scrubbers by Brain Corp, which not only enable staff to be more efficient on the job, but also preps them for the workplace technologies that they'll have to operate in the coming years. On the flip side, Lowe's spent the past few years testing a robot of their own through their smaller subsidiary, Orchard. The Lowbot, formerly known as the Oshbot, is a sort of information kiosk that will be used, starting this year I believe, to enhance the shopping experience. People shouldn't expect to see Rosie the robot cleaning their house anytime in 2018. Edgar Rodriguez, Brain Corp. There is a lot to be excited about as we surge forward to 2018. Companies' criteria will be straightforward. It has to be scalable. It should be something that could serve both startup and enterprise clients. It might as well be all about AI. From rapidly prototyping progressive web app and chatbots to engagement and predictive analysis platforms that use AI, the nature of that work already opened the digital world's eyes to a new type of engagement, researching, testing, prototyping, and implementing the newest technologies. We're at full capacity working with all sorts of interesting AI-based technologies, optical character recognition, progressive web apps, chatbots, and recommendation engines, all thoughtfully woven into our website and app development work, having exciting conversations with industry insiders about AI, chatbots, and new technologies. And 2018 is even more promising. The focus on new technologies will give companies an entirely new pitch. Chatbots are likely to gain a huge popularity in 2018. They open a direct line of communication to your users. They allow you to quickly test out new distribution channels like Facebook Messenger and SMS. They reduce the need for customer service resources. They create magical user experiences. Say you sell shoes. People can browse your shoes on your website, order them, and have them delivered to their home. You also have a store where people can come in and browse your shoes. Now let's say you want a chatbot. What should it do? Help users find the right kind of shoe? Help users navigate your store?